ಅನುದಿನ ಅನುಕ್ಷಣ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ, ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಹೊಸ ಹಾದಿಯಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯ ಹಾಕೋಣ, ಸಂತಸದಿ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ.
Yes, sir. Yes, teacher. Present, ma'am.
Children, how are you all? I hope you are good. In this pandemic situation, you have to maintain SMS, have social distance, wearing mask and be sanitized. Take care of this. Welcome to Samveda A classes. Urdu medium 7th class, 3rd language English, session 1st. Here is an activity. The heading has the date. The heading has the date. Hi, ho, the letter parts. The heading has the date. The greeting says dear friend. The greeting says dear friend. Hi, ho, the letter parts. The greeting says the dear friend. The body is the message. The body is the message. Hi, ho, the letter parts. And the body is the message. The closing says sincerely. The closing says sincerely. Hi, ho, the letter parts. The closing says sincerely. The signature is my name. The signature is my name. Hi, ho, the letter parts. The signature is my name. Okay, children? Here you see parts of a letter. The first one heading, second one greeting, third one body, fourth one closing, fifth one signature. These are the parts of the letter. This is type of informal letter. Okay, in your textbook there is one lesson, and before that here answer. What is in the bird's paw? Yes, children, your answer is right. Your answer is right. A letter in the bird's paws. Okay, let us learn about Unit 7, an act of cleverness. Do you know this one? This is the regarding about the letter. Before that, we come to know new words. Narrate, to tell, to explain. Here the teacher narrates the story after reading. Next one, deed, an act. Here you see in this picture, in NSS camp, students doing their deed. Yes. Whisper, to speak in a low voice. Speak in a low voice. When teacher got angry, student whispered themselves. Here you see in this picture, students are whispering something. Okay. Fetch, to bring. Here you see, every evening my dog fetch something from outside. Okay, let us go to the model reading. Okay, see here letter. This letter to Rafi, 21 Park Street, Mysore, 583229. Okay, this is the letter to Rafi. Who has written this letter? Yes, you are right. The letter written to Rafi wrote by Somesh. Dear Rafi, how are you? This is the asking way. How are you? I am here fine. My studies are going well too. Hope you celebrated Deepavali very well. We are going on a trip to Belur and Halebeedu in the month of December. Aren't your teacher planning on any such trip? Here the Somesh asked about his health and also where he went for a tour. He mentioned in his letter. Let me share an interesting incident. Last night my friend Shankar was returning home on his bicycle after studying with me. Okay, here Somesh and Shankar were friends. Okay, they were studying. After studying, he went to his home by bicycle. Okay, what happened? When he reached, first pass forward aitadu. When he reached his father's jewelry shop, he saw that the door was open and two men lifting things from the shop. When he was going back his home, he saw his father's jewelry shop opened. Two men lifting things. Do you know, children, who were? Yes, you are right. Shankar heard them whisper that jewelry they had collected would fetch them a lot of money. At once Shankar knew that they were thieves. You know, Shankar saw what the men were lifting. They are lifting things and also a lot of money. At once Shankar knew that they were thieves. He was little afraid. Afraid, you know, fear, having fear in his body. Oh, he little afraid. Okay, he got afraid. His heart began to beat fast. See, when you run fast, your heart also beat fast. Lub dub, lub dub, lub dub, like this. You know, here also Shankar's heart also beat fast. He saw them going back to the shop again. Again he saw they are going back to the shop again. For what purpose? Tell me, dear students. Yes, you are right. Again, stealing the things means lifting the things from the jewelry shop. You are right. Then Shankar immediately ran to the jeep, let the air out of all the four tires. Then immediately, at once, Shankar ran to the jeep. Whose jeep? Do you know? Yes, you are right. Thief's jeep. He went near the jeep and let out the air. In the wheel, the air is there, you know. Yes, he let out the air from four tires. That he got his bicycle and rushed at a full speed to the nearby police station. What did he, you know? He did let out all four tires, air. Okay, then he took his bicycle and went to the police station. Okay, to inform the stealing. He told police inspector about thieves. He told everything. What was happening in the jewelry shop. He told to police inspector. Then the police inspector along with few constables went to the spot in the police jeep. Yes, afterwards police inspector and along with few constables went to the spot. Spot means, yes, the place where the jewelry shop. Okay, what was going there? Yes, there was stealing. The policemen caught the thieves and took them to the police station. Yes, when police went to the spot and they saw the thieves were stealing or lifting the things, police caught them and took them to the police station. Yes, did you understand, children? Yes. Here is some questions for your comprehension. Okay. Here is first question. What was Shankar's father? Yes, what was Shankar's father? What was the job of Shankar's father? Yes, your answer is right. Shankar's father was jewelry merchant, one who sells and receives the gold ornaments, silver ornaments. Yes, you are right. The second one. What were thieves stealing? Yes, what were thieves stealing? The persons lifting things from the jewelry shop. Yes, what were thieves stealing? Yes, discuss yourself. Yes, your answer is right. They were stealing jewels. Yes, they were stealing jewels from the jewelry shop. Yes. Third question. Okay. What were thieves when Shankar let out the air from the tires? When Shankar let out air from tires, what were thieves? Okay. Yes, discuss yourself. Yes, dear children, your answer is yes, absolutely right. They were in jewelry shop when Shankar let the air out from the tires. When he let out air from tires, they were in the jewelry shop. Yes, you are right answer. Okay, the fourth one, who told about thieves to police inspector? Who gave the information to police inspector? Yes, discuss yourself. Yes, anyone? Yes, dear children? Yes, you are right. Answer is right. Shankar told about thieves to inspector. Who told? Shankar. The next one, who was little afraid when lifting things? The boy saw lifting things in the jewelry shop and saw this. The boy afraid. Who? Yes, your answer is right. Shankar was little afraid. Okay, fear in his body. Let us move to the next one. Here is articles. Okay, what are the articles? Yes, 3 words we use in everyday language. A and the are special words called articles. In our daily life we are using 3 words, those are a and the. These are called articles. There are two types of articles, those are definite article and indefinite article. Okay, yes, here you see the children. Articles, definite article, for example the, indefinite article, example a and an. Yes, let us learn about the first one, indefinite article. Indefinite article which implies something non-specific, not particular, okay, it means non-specific. Okay, and the second one, a, we use a before o, words which begin with the consonant sound. Indefinite example a, we use a before words which begin with the consonant sound. The word which begins with the consonant sound. And the second one, an, we use an before words which begin with vowel sound. Vowel sound, word which begin with the vowel sound, there we have to use an. Okay, yes, here some work for you. What does Savita have for breakfast? We don't know what did she have. Okay, yes, here is clue. What is this? Egg. Very good, your answer is right. Egg, the word egg begins with the sound. Yes, you are right, vowel sound. Yes, your answer is Savita has an egg for breakfast. Your right answer. The second one, what does Suguna have? What does Suguna have? We don't know what she has for, what she has. Okay, here is for, what is this? Apple. Okay, apple begins with the sound. Yes, vowel sound. Okay, your answer is now Suguna has an apple. You are right, children. Good. Third one, what does Lakshman have? We don't know what he has. Okay, here is for you. What is this? Banana. Yes, you are right. Banana. Okay, what is the sound of banana? Yes, vowel? No. Consonant? Yes, you are right. Consonant. Okay, the word begins with the consonant sound. Yes, your answer is? Yes, right. Lakshman has a banana. Yes, you are absolutely right, dear children. Okay, the fourth one. What does postman hang on his shoulder? Okay, here is picture. Yes, here is the postman. What he has? Hang on his shoulder. Yes, dear children. Yes, your answer is post bag. Yes, absolutely right. The post bag begins with the sound. Yes, you are absolutely correct. Consonant. Postman has a post bag on his shoulder. Very good, children, you did well. Okay, the next one, match the following. Here the some pictures and the words are here. Okay, dear children, match these words, match this picture with the words. Okay, few minutes. Yes, try. Yes, you are good, doing good. Try now, very good. Yes, completed. Yes, good children. Let's see the answer. Okay, good. The first one. First one what? Yes, you are right. The post box. The first picture is post box. What is the second one? Yes, your answer is correct. Postcard. Yes. Third one we have seen already just now. Okay. Yes, that is postman. One who gives letter. What is this? Weighing parcel. If the parcel is weighed in the post office, there the weighing parcel is there. Okay. Yes. The fifth one, receiving the parcel. Receiving the parcel. The last one picture. Yes, pasting a stamp to postcard. You are right, children. You did it well. Okay. See, we have completed today's session. The home assignment for you. See the homework. Yes, fill with indefinite articles a or an. The first one, dash orange, dash table, or pen, elephant. These are the home assignment for you. You write it and show to your English teacher tomorrow. Okay. See, this is Gonepa Mallanawar, assistant teacher, Gout MPS Chandrike, Taluk Gurmitkal, district Yadgir. Thank you.